हेलो एवरीवन, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द छत्तीसगढ़ बजट एनालिसिस कर लेते हैं 2024-25. The Finance Minister of the Chhattisgarh, Mr. O.P. the Chaudhary, and presented by the budget and for the state of for the financial year 2024-25 on the February 9 and 2024. The budget highlighted the gross state domestic product and GSDP of the Chhattisgarh, and for the 2024-25 it current the prices is the projected to the raise and 561,736 lakhs crores and accountings and to the growth of the 11% overall the 2023 and 24 expenditures excluding and depth the repayment and 2024 and 25 is estimated and to be the rate and 1,47,441% crores. The marginalized lower than the revised and estimated of the 2023 and 24 aid the revised and estimated stage in 2023-24 expenditures increased by the 22% and over the budget and amount. The states is the estimated and to the rupee and a 9,360 crores and boast of the debt in 2024 and 25 and receive the excludings and borrowings for the 2024 and 25 are the estimated and to be the 1,26,050 crores and the increase of the 13% over the revised and estimated of the 2023 and 24. Revenue surplus in 2024-25 is estimated and to be and the 0.2% of GSDP in this 1,60 crores. In 2022, 23 and 24, the states estimated revenue deficit of the 15.670 crores, 3.1% of GSDP at the revised stage. In 2023 and 24, at the budget stage and the state and has the estimated and a revenue surplus of the rate 3,500 crores. Fiscal deficit for the 2024 and 25 is targeted and rate the 3.2% of the GSDP and rate and the 17,990 crore in 2023 and 24 and the fiscal deficit was the budgeted and to be the 3% of the GSDP. However, at the revised stage it is the rose and to the 6.5% of the GSDP and the raise and 33,062 crores. And policy highlights: food security and rate the 3 lakh and 4,000 3 crores 3,3400 crores and has been the allocated. Allocated and for the chief ministers and food grains the assistance and schemes. Power the subsidiary and for the providing the 7 lakh 507 crore 7,500 units of the free and powers for the agricultural pumps and up to the 5 and the HP of the rate 3 lakhs 300 from 3,500 crore has been the allocated under the halls half power and bill the scheme in 43.3 lakhs and the household and are the provided subsidiaries power up to the 400 units rate the 1,274 crore has been the allocated for this. Health under the Shahid and the Beer and the Narayanas and Singh and the Ayushman health schemes and BPL's household and will be the provided health and the services up to the 5 lakhs and rupees and the above. Poverty line household and up to the rate and 50,000 and raise the 1 lakh 1,526 crore has been the allocated and for the purpose and assistance and to the women and the Mahatari and Bandana Yojana and will be the introduced and to be the provided marginalized women and will be with the annual assistance of the 1,200 and raise the 300 crores has been the allocated toward this scheme. Assessment to levelers, the Deen Dayal Upadhyay and Landless Laborers Welfare Scheme will be the introduced to provide the beneficiaries and with the annual assistance of the 10,000 and 500 crores and has been the allocated towards this schemes. Chhattisgarh economy GSDP in 2023 and 24 Chhattisgarh GSDP at the constant prices is expected to the grow at the 11.4% compared to the 8% in 2022 and 23 in comparisons. National GDP is estimated and to the grow at 7.2% in 2023-24 sectors. The agriculture sector ate the constant prices and grew and by the 7.8% in 2022 and 23 and over the 4.1% growth in the 2021-22. Manufacturing sector grew by the 7.1% in 2022-23 compared to the 9.3% growth in the 2021 and 22, and services and grew by the 9.2% in the 2022 and 23. In comparison, it is growing in by the 9.8% in 2022-23. In the 2022 and 23, agricultural, manufacturing and the services sectors are the estimated to contribute 28% and 39% and 33% to the economic respectively. It constants prices per capita and GSDP. The per and the capitas and GSDP in 2022 and 23 and at the current prices is estimated and at the 1,52,348 and the annualized an increase of the 9% and over the 2017 and 18. Budget estimated for the 2024 and 25, the total expenditures and excluding debt and the repayments in 2024-25 estimated at the rate of the 1,47,440 crores, and this is the marginalized lower than the revised estimated on of the 2023 and 24 expenditure is estimated to the increase and by the 22% at the revised stage in the 2023 and 24 over the budget and the estimated for the years. In 2024 and 25 expenditures is proposed and to be made through and the receive and the excluding borrowings and of the raise and 1,26,050 and the crores and net the borrowings of the 19,750 crores. Total the received and for the 2024 and 25 other than the borrowings are the expected and the to and the registered and the increase and of the 13% and overs the estimated revised the estimated of 2023-24 and revenue the surplus in 2024 and 25 is estimated and to be the 0.2% of the GSDP and 1 lakh and the 60,000 crore is the revenue deficit of the rate and 15,670 crores and 3.1% of GSDP is estimated and at the revised stage in 2023 and 24. This is on the account of either 24% and increase in the revenues and expenditures and in the agriculture sectors. Fiscal deficit and for the 2024-25 is the targeted at the 3.2% of GSDP and reach the 9,990 and crores. The fiscal deficit increase at the revised stage in 2023 and 24 from the 3% of the GSDP to 6.5% of the GSDP. The total expenditure repay of the debt and the received and borrowings and which the separate loan for the capex F and the net received and for the fiscal deficit ERF and S of the GSDP and the revenue balance of the GSDP and the GSDP primary and the deficit S of the GSDP and the GSDP. B is budget and the estimated and RE in the revised estimated and the negatives and the revenues balances includes indicated and the balances indicated the revenue deficit positives and indicated and the surplus and for the arrivings it the fiscal deficit and the state government has the included and public the account and received as a non and debt capital received and the treated and the special loan from Center for the Apex and as the grant and this the leads and two other lowers fiscal deficit and 4 hours the calculations and the public account received and has not and been and the considers sources annual financial statement and Chhattisgarh budget 2024 and 25 PRS expenditures in 2024 and 25 revenue for expenditures for 2024-25 is proposed and to be and the raise and 1,24,840 crores either decreased of 2% and from the revised and the estimated of the 2023-24 expenditures as the revised estimate in 2023-24 increased by the 24%. Revenue expenditures include the expenditures on the salaries, pensions, and increase the grant and the subsidiaries. Capitals outlays for the 2024-25 is proposed and to be the raise and the 22,300 crores and the increase of the 5% over the revised estimated of the 2023-24 capital outlay and included the expenditures towards the creation of the asset and pension expenditures. In 2024-25, Chhattisgarh has the budgets and to the 7,737 crores and 6% of its the revenues capital received of the pensions and 2023 and 24. Chhattisgarh announced and the implementations of the old pensions scheme and OPS in the medium terms state and which is the reverse to OPS and may seen and decrease in theirs the pension and expenditure since they no the longer and have to the provided the contributions over the under the new and the pension scheme and however the effect of the entering the OPS and will becomes and the visible and when the new and the employees and tenors. Chhattisgarh has provided the estimated on the pension and the expenditures under 2023 and 24. 25 it is the estimated to the spend and the 32%. 793 crore on the pensions in the 2034 and 35. A annual growth of the 13% and from the 2022 and 23. Committed expenditures of the state and the typically and the include the expenditures on the payments of the salaries and pensions and the interested. A large proportions of the budget and allocation for the committed and expenditures item limits the states and the flexibilities and to the divided on the other expenditures and priorities and such as the capitals outlay in 2024 and 25. Sector wise expenditure the sectors and list and below account for the 75% of the total expenditure. Total expenditures and on the sectors and by the state and wise state in the 2024 and 25. A comparisons of the Chhattisgarh expenditures on the key sectors and with that the by the other state is shown as the apex. Education, sports, arts and the culturals and agricultures and the allied activities. Health and the families welfare, housings and social welfare and nutrition, rural development, energy police and road and the bridge, water supplementary. Agriculture and allied activities in 2023-24 revenue expenditures on the agriculturals and allied activities and to estimated and to the increase and by the 70% and over the budget and estimated. This was mentioned and due to and the additionals expenditures of 12,000 and the crores. हट हट जा जगह कर total revenue received and for the 2024 and 25 are estimated and to be the 1,25,900 crore and the increase of 13% over the revised estimated of the 2023-24 of this. 68,400 crore. 54% will be the raised by the state through it is upon the resources, and 57,500 crores. 46% will come from the center resources from the centers and will be in the forms of the state share in central taxes. 35% of the revenue received and grants. 11% of the revenue received. Devolution in 2024-25 state shares in the central taxes is estimated at the 44,000 crores, in the increase of 11% over the revised estimated of 2023-24. Grant from the central and in the 2024-25 are the estimated at the 13,500 crore, and the increase of the 7% over the revised estimated for the 2023-24. State Avan tax and the revenues and Chhattisgarh. Total Avan taxes revenues is estimated to be the 49,700 crore in 2024 and 25, an increase of the 22%. 22% over the revised and the estimated of the 2023 and 24. Our tax revenues as a percentage of the GSDP is the estimated at the 8.8% in the 2024 and 25, and higher than the revised estimated for the 2023 and 24. 8% as per the actual figures, and for the 2024, 22 and 23. Our tax and revenues as a percentage of the GSDP was the 7.1%. 7.1%, and the break up of the state and the government received and the account. And state tax B is budget and the budget estimated, and are either revised and the estimated sources, the annual accounts, financials and the statements. Chhattisgarh budget 2024 and 25. In 2024-25 state GST is the estimate to be the largest sources of on the tax revenue, and 35% shares and state the GST and revenue is estimated and to the increase and by the 2025% and over the revised estimated of the 2023-24 revenue, and from the excise in 2024-25 is the expected and to the C and the increase and by the 2009 and percent over the revised estimated and for the 2023-24 and the revised estimate. कब हो रहा है In 2024-25 state GST is the estimated and to be the largest sources of the on taxes revenue. 35% share the state GST revenue is estimated and to the increase by the 25% over the reviews revised and the estimated of the 2023 and 24. Revenue from the exercise in 2024-25 is expected and to see and the increase by the 29% over the revised estimated. Over the revised estimated, and for the 2023 and 24 the revised estimated is 27% higher than the budget amount, and this included tax levies on the alcohol and petrol diesel. Devolution to local bodies. The 15th Financial Commission recommended certain the local bodies grant over the rate 4.4% lakh crore for the period 2021-26 for all the states. The commissions has the prescribed certain conditions like the transparency in accounts and the improvement in the priority property tax collections and for availing those grants. As per the 15th FC financial recommendation, Chhattisgarh is expected to the receive and the 10,368 crore as the local bodies grant between the 2021-26 as the 2022-23, and it has received and read for the 4,791 crores, and as the local and bodies and grant for the 2023-24 revised and the 2024-25 it is the estimated and to the cumulatively and received and raised the 3,511 crore and the cumulatively State GST state exercise. Deficit depth and the FRB target for 2024-25. The Chhattisgarh Fiscal Responsibilities Act 2005 provided the annual targeted to the progressively reduce the outstanding liabilities, revenues, deficits, and the fiscal deficits of the state government. The revenue surplus, it is the differentiated of the revenues, expenditures, and revenue received. The revenue received and implies and that the government need to the borrow to service and those the expenditures which do not increase. It is the asset or the reduced, and it is the liabilities. The budget estimated other revenues and surplus of the rate 1,60,000 crores and 0.2% of the GSDP in 2024 and 25. This implies and that the government and borrowing and will fund the expenditures of creations of assets and reducing liabilities in 2023 and 24 while the state and the head and the initially and the budgeted other revenue surplus of the 0.7% and the rate and 3,500 crores and 8 the revised state is the estimated other revenue of deficit of the 3.1% of the GSDP rate 15,617 crore. The deficit is the mainly on account of other 24% increase in the revenue expenditures and compared to other 5% of the increase in the revenue deficit aid the received. Aid the revived state and revenue expenditure was the primarily driven and by and the increased expenditures in the agriculture and alliance activities aid the revised stage of the 70% over the budget estimated. Fiscal deficit and it is the excess of the totals expenditures and over the total received gap is the fixed fueled by borrowing by the government and the lead to another increase. Increase in total expenditures and into and the 0.6%. 0.6% and the decrease in GSDP and the fiscal deficit is the projected and to the load and to the 3% and of the GSDP and by the 2026 and 27 note that the state and can the transfer utilized and borrowings and from the 2021 and 27 onwards in the future years. Chhattisgarh fiscal deficit was the 1.5% and the 1% on the 2021 and 22 and 23 respectively. Outstanding liabilities, depth and the sustainabilities. As per the Reserve Bank of India RBI and depth of the state and can be the considered and to be the sustainable and when the growth and rate of the public and depth is lower than the nominal GSDP and growth and the growth rate of the GSDP. DP is the highest than the effective increase interest rate and between the 2016 and 18 and 2020 and 21 the growth rate of the Chhattisgarh is depth by the consistency higher than the growth in the nominal GSDP. In 2024-25 outstanding liabilities are the estimated into the growth aid the 9% and while the GSDP is the estimated to the grow aid the 11%. Chhattisgarh outstanding liabilities are the estimated and to be the 25% of GSDP and higher than the 20% and the suggested by the FRBM Review Committee. Review Committee. Note state and the state and the can Kakerao. The The fiscal deficit is estimated to be the 6.5% GSDP and 8 the revised and stage in the 2023 and 24. This is the higher than the budget estimated of the 3%. The higher fiscal deficit may be the due to the 22% increase in the total expenditures and a 0.6% and the decreased in the GSDP, and the financial deficit is the projected and to be the lower and to the 3% of the GSDP, and by the 2026 and 27 note the student can the transfer ultimate utilized and borrowing from the 2021 and 22 onwards. In the future years, Chhattisgarh is a fiscal deficit and was 1.5% on and 1% and on the 2021 and 22 and the 22 and 23 and the respectively. गाजर खाता जो outstanding liabilities is the accumulations and of the total borrowings at the end of the fiscal year, and it is also the included any the liabilities on the public's account at the end of the 2024 and 25. The outstanding liabilities as the estimated to be the 5.4% of GSDP, lower than the revised estimated for the 2023 and 24. 25% of the GSDP revenue and fiscal balance of GSDP. Outstanding governments guarantees and outstanding liabilities of state. State and fix the selling of the 0.5% and GSDP and the for the addition guarantees and during the financial year. Comparison of state expenditure on key sectors. The graphs below the compare and the Chhattisgarh expenditure in 2024 and 25 on the six keys and the sector as other proportions of its the total of its total expenditures on all the sectors and the advance. Comparison of state expenditure on key the sectors, the graph and below and compares Chhattisgarh expenditures in the 2024 and 25 on the six key and the sectors as other proportions of its the total expenditures on all the sectors, the averages, and for the sectors indicator the average expenditures is that the sectors and by the 31 state including the Chhattisgarh as per theirs the budget and estimated of the 2023 and 24 education. Chhattisgarh has the allocated on the 17.2% of its the expenditures on the educationals in 2024 and 25. This is the highest than the average allocation. Education by the state under 2023-24 14.7% has the Chhattisgarh has the allocated 7.1% of its the total expenditures towards the health, and which is the higher than the average and allocation for the health and by the state 6.2%. And rural development, Chhattisgarh has allocated and 5% of its the expenditures on rural development. This is the similar sense to the average and allocation for the rural development and by the state 5%. urban development, Chhattisgarh has allocated 3.6% of its the expenditures toward the urban development. This is the highest than the average allocations. And towards the urban development by the state, 3.4%. Agriculture, Chhattisgarh has allocated 15.9% of its the total expenditures toward the agriculture, which is the significantly higher than the average expenditures on the agriculture by the state. 5.9%. Energy, Chhattisgarh has allocated and 4.9% of its the total expenditures and toward the energy which is higher than the average allocation of states and the 4.7%. Spending on education as a percent of the total expenditure, spending on the health as a percent of the total expenditure, spending on the rural development as a percent of the total expenditures.